Hey, what's up guys? It's me, Tom, with Alex's wood burning. I'm filling in for Alex while he's gone. So, I actually don't even have a wood burning that he gave me to do. So, we're just gonna go with the flow.
I'm just kidding, guys. It's me, the real Alex, here with another wood burning today. So let's get to it. And yes, I am back. Feels great. So eager to wood burn again and to be filming videos for you guys. Today, we've got a butterfly here. It's a little complex. So I hope you all enjoy this video. If you want to wood burn along, do so. Or if you just want to watch, great. Let's go. As you can see, I've got the design outlined. I'm going to take my hot knife attachment now to cut into the design so I can get a cleaner burn. Well, it looks like we're back from the commercial break. Ha, just kidding, there's no commercials. I got my hot knife ready to stencil in the design. Let's go. Don't you guys just like butterflies? They always have some interesting colors and patterns. They're pretty cool. Let me know in the comments section what's the most interesting colors you've seen on a butterfly. Well, there we go. The design is cut out and ready to burn. So let's go get our wood burning tip and let's get to burning. I've got my wood burning attachment ready to go. This is a small attachment that I am using. And there we have it. It's a woodburn butterfly. Thank you to everybody who watched my video. I'll see you next time.